हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एसएससी फाउंडेशन। आज एंशियंट हिस्ट्री के डे 9 में हम इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन टॉपिक से एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड 40 नए क्वेश्चंस पढ़ेंगे जो किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है। इससे पहले डे 1 से लेकर डे 8 तक हमने इस टॉपिक से 340 प्लस क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए थे। अगर आपने वो वीडियोस अभी तक नहीं देखा है तो उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स और आई बटन में अवेलेबल है। इसके साथ चैनल पर एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री नाम से एक डेडिकेटेड प्लेलिस्ट भी बना दी गई है। इस वीडियो के बाद उस 8 वीडियो को भी जरूर देखिए और हर दिन की तरह वीडियो के एंड में मैं इन 40 क्वेश्चंस में से आप लोगों से सिर्फ 3 क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगा जिनके सही आंसर्स आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखकर बताना। उम्मीद है ये कोर्स आपकी प्रिपरेशन को और स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाएगा। तो आपकी कीमती समय की रिस्पेक्ट करते हुए चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। नंबर 1, Which tool was used for the production of pottery and earthenware? Correct answer, potter's wheel. Number 2, where was the produced pottery sold? Correct answer, regional markets and exported abroad. Number 3, what was done to make the pottery durable? Correct answer, burnt in fire. Number 4, which technology was used to manufacture various metal products? Correct answer, metal melting technology. Number 5, production centers of which items were found in various urban centers of the Indus civilization? Correct answer, boats, seals and terracotta. How was the weight and measurement system of the Indus civilization? Correct answer, accurate and well regulated. Which two methods did the inhabitants of the Indus civilization mainly know how to use? Correct answer, sexagesimal and decimal methods. What was the shape of the weights used in the Indus civilization? Correct answer, cubical and spherical. Which stones were used to make the weights? Correct answer, limestone, jasper, agate and granite. What kind of stone is agate? Correct answer, a type of very hard and precious stone. In which progression were the weights used? Correct answer, geometric progression. What was the first level of the geometric progression? Correct answer, 1, 2, 4, 8 to 64. In which values were the higher level weights found? Correct answer, 160, 320, 640 and more. What was the main reason for the advanced transport system in the Indus civilization? Correct answer, flourishing trade and commerce. For which trade did the Indus people develop a transport system? Correct answer, internal and external trade. Images of what were found on various seals and pottery? Correct answer, ships and boats. What was used for transporting goods and passengers over land? Correct answer, bull-drawn carts. Which sea did the Indus merchants use for maritime trade? Correct answer, Arabian Sea. What special image was found on a seal obtained from Mohenjo-daro? Correct answer, image of a ship. What did not have importance as a medium of exchange in the Indus civilization? Correct answer, metal coins. What was the purpose of using colors in pottery? Correct answer, decoration and making them attractive. What does the use of metal melting technology prove? Correct answer, advanced scientific knowledge. What did the symbol on the seals likely represent? Correct answer, identity of owner or destination. Where was the boat building industry concentrated? Correct answer, in coastal or riverside urban centers. Why were the weights in the Indus civilization of the same standard? Correct answer, due to a well-regulated central administration. In which ancient civilization of India is the use of the decimal system first seen? Correct answer, Indus civilization. On what was the economy of the Indus civilization based? Correct answer, combination of agriculture and trade. What does the use of the sexagesimal system in weights mean? Correct answer, use of multiples of 16. What were the trade routes of the Indus civilization? Correct answer, land and sea routes. Which route was more popular for foreign trade? Correct answer, sea route via Arabian Sea. Where were the terracotta production centers located? Correct answer, in various major urban centers. The use of the potter's wheel revolutionized which industry? Correct answer, pottery industry. What was the main identity of Meluha or the Indus region in trade? Correct answer, seals and fixed measurement systems. Were the merchants of the Indus civilization organized? Correct answer, yes, they had their own seals and symbols. What does the use of granite stone in making weights signify? Correct answer, interest in durable and accurate measurements. Why is Mohenjo-daro called an industrial center? Correct answer, evidences of multiple industries found there. Where is the Indus script first seen? Correct answer, on seals and pottery. On what did the economic stability of the Indus civilization depend? Correct answer, on successful foreign and internal trade. In terms of house construction, what was given more importance than artistic beauty? Correct answer, civic amenities. From which statues is the artistic excellence of the Indus civilization evident? Correct answer, bronze statues. तो आज हमने इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के नए 40 क्वेश्चंस कवर किए। तो चलिए अब मेरी तरफ से आप लोगों के लिए 3 क्वेश्चंस। नंबर 1, images of what were found on various seals and pottery? Number 2, what was used for transporting goods and passengers over land? Number 3, which sea did the Indus merchants use for maritime trade? तीनों क्वेश्चंस के सही आंसर्स कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखकर बताना। आने वाले दिनों में हम और भी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स डिस्कस करेंगे। तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिए, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।